The box sizes directory allows you to record all of the boxes you inventory for shipping purposes. If you have an online store connected to FreightDesk Online and you're using one of Integer Technology's quoting apps with the standard box sizes feature enabled, you can import your boxes by clicking the Import Boxes button. To add a box manually, click the Add Box button. When you have the standard box sizes feature enabled for your online store, the packaging solution will be imported with the order. To view it, click the packaging link. If an imported order doesn't have a packaging solution, click on the packaging link and then the Calculate Packaging button. FreightDesk Online will select the best box for the shipment from your boxes directory and provide you with a step-by-step illustration on how to pack the order. If you add or change an order's packaging solution, you should refresh the shipping quote to make sure you get an accurate rate estimate. The box sizes directory gives you the tools you need to always pack your orders in the most cost-effective way.